Pay you got such some say you promise I bear me pay.
Kami mut ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahay maya. Laya pide.
की खूब और का बातें सी टीवी का उम्दी बशnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Uba Lyngdoh ubalong working president jongka United Democratic Party ulong ba on ompriang satya Lada ka parti ka Tyrwa ya ka tiket ban penikhun ya ka election MP Shiteng Samoi hadien ka jingkla no jong u MP barim u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon Dangshen ha ka je karen bat kilat pathai kubor uba pol ubalongru u MLA jongka West Shillong ulong ba yamenta u khampel jingmod ya ka san parthai hapo kejela.
As has been mentioned by Party General Secretary, we are yet to take any call.
So, but you are planning to put up candidate?
I am not aware because the party is yet to meet.
What is the scope of the party? Because
I really have no idea because I have been preoccupied with the budget session and thereafter I have also been preoccupied with activities of the Social Welfare Department.
Also, can you also tell bipolar because you in the past?
No. I have decided to focus entirely on state politics because there is so much to be done in the state and there is clear gap of capable leaders within the state. Therefore, my entire focus as of this moment is within the jurisdiction of the state of Ngan.
But don't you feel you'll
We have capable leaders, but you will also realize that we have just crossed the 2.5 year mark of the current house. I would like to ensure that I complete this term to the satisfaction of not just the electorate of 18 West Shillong constituency, but also the state of Meghalaya.
But if the party makes a request you to come to
I will politely decline such a request.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.